you hit it. You hit it good. You hit it good. Come on, honey. That's a big one, I think.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ooh, look at that. That is a big one.
Big one.
Ooh. Okay.
I caught it.
You did. Let's hold it up.
Wow.
That's a bigger one, huh?
Can we keep it?
No, we can't keep it. But that's
Hayden, look at
eating
Mommy.
size. Look at Mommy.
What do you think?
Can we keep it?
No, we can't keep it. We gotta let him go so we can catch him another day.
Smile.
Look at the camera. Smile at Mommy. Honey.
What kind of fish is that? Did Daddy tell
I
you?
think it's a bass, but I don't.
What do you think, honey?
Look at Mommy. Say hi to Mommy.
The bass?
Okay, give me my glove. Oh wait, don't pull on this. Okay, give me my glove.
Look at his big mouth.
Oh, no, that's no. Yeah, I need my other one. My left-handed glove. Boy, that's the big one we were waiting for.
Can we keep it?
No, sweetie. Let's see. Okay, got you
We
good.
have to keep a fish.
It's a long way from catching a fish to making fish sticks.
Yeah, that's for
It's a
sure.
lot of work.
Thank you, Mr. Fish.
It's fun to just
Okay,
catch them.
okay, be careful of the hook. Okay, I'm gonna drop it right there.
Can she touch it?
You want to touch it? It's a little slimy.
It's fun to touch.
Okay, wait. This is wrapped around.
Daddy's got him tight. You can just touch his belly.
Touching my hair.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Say bye to Mr. Fish.
Bye-bye.
There you go. We'll see you another day. There he goes. That wasn't the big one.
No, but it was bigger.
The bigger.
Yay! Fishing with Daddy on Father's
You want
Day.
to do more, or are you done?
More.
You want to do more?